Hey guys, welcome to another video of SAP EWM Basics. So today we are going to learn about what is warehouse request, warehouse task, warehouse order. Okay, so first we try to understand warehouse request. So let's say customer 1 in the delivery he ordered 3 line items, line item 10, 20, 30. He ordered X material 10 quantity, Y material 25 quantity and Z material 30 quantity. So these 3 line items needs to be picked from our warehouse. So these 3 line items we call as a warehouse request. So this is a warehouse request number 1, warehouse request number 2, warehouse request number 3. Warehouse request number 1, 2 and 3. So warehouse request is a basically planning document. So we are going to pick from this RKEW warehouse. We don't know we are going to pick from where, but this should reach to a staging area called 9020. So that is your warehouse request. So X material we are going to pick. We don't know the source, but we know the destination. That is your 9020 staging area. Y material also we don't know the storage type and bin, but destination is 9020 GSM. So this is warehouse request. Then what is warehouse task? So warehouse task is a executable task where it is going to have source and destination both. Earlier in the warehouse request we have either source or destination, but in the warehouse task we are going to have source and destination both. So I'll take the same example. X and Y, X, Y, Z and Z materials needs to be picked from these 3 different storage types. From RK10 we are going to pick X material. From RK20 we pick Y material. From RK30 we pick Z material. So how much quantity? From 10 here, 25 here and 30 here. So these all materials through the pickage it can be picked, and we can consolidate in the staging area and loading into the vehicle which is docked at the outbound door. So here the source is RK10 FMS RK10-0101 for the X material, and this is the destination. So to create the warehouse task, WPT, warehouse process type, is mandatory. So in the simple outbound process, 2010 WPT is required. Without WPT, we can't create any warehouse task. Okay. Next we will move to warehouse order. The next element is warehouse order. Warehouse order is a executable work package. It is going to combine the warehouse task based on the condition. To understand this in a better manner, we will try to understand one real-time warehouse requirement. So let's say customer 1, he ordered X, Y, Z material through a delivery. So these are the line items: 10 quantity, 25 quantity, 30 quantity of X, Y, Z. Let's say X and Y materials are very light items. So 10 quantity X material is 20 kgs, 25 quantity of Y material is 25 kgs, 30 quantity of Z material is 90 kgs. So human being cannot pick 90 kgs weight. So warehouse manager is saying, I want to pick these 20 and 25 kgs with the trolley. With human resources going to operate this trolley. The 90 kgs weight can be picked by forklift. Okay. So let's say this X and Y materials are available in RK10 and Z material is available in RK20. So heavy items are in RK20, light items are in RK10. So here we are going to pick the material from RK10 to 9020. So warehouse task 1 created from RK10 bin to 9020. Warehouse task 2 also created from RK10 to 9020. But whereas the Z material, warehouse task number 3 created from RK20 to 9020. So here the system is going to combine this warehouse task and warehouse task number 2 to this warehouse order, since we are picking from the RK10. And warehouse order number 2 is only warehouse task number 3, which is 90 kgs, which can be accessed by the forklift operator. So here trolley with trolley, human resource is going to pick these 2 tasks, and forklift is going to complete the warehouse task number 3 on the warehouse order. So this is my warehouse order. These are the SAP EWM basics. To learn more in detail, next batch is going to start on January 27. Please contact us on given below numbers. Thank you.